Hey everyone, welcome back to Programmers Mode. Today we are talking about network security. We will cover VPNs, proxies, DDoS attacks, IDS, and IPS with real world examples to make it easy to understand. So let's get started. First up, VPN or Virtual Private Network. Imagine you're working on a sensitive documents while using public Wi-Fi at a coffee shop. Without a VPN, hackers can intercept your data, but a VPN encrypts your connection, creating a secure tunnel that keeps your information private. Let's say you're working remotely for a company using a VPN like NordVPN. You can securely access internal systems, ensuring that your communication remains encrypted and protected from cyber threats. Next, let's talk about proxy servers. Think of them as your internet middleman. Instead of connecting directly to a website, your request goes through a proxy server, which can mask your IP address and provide added security. Imagine you're at work and your company has blocked social media sites. A proxy server can help bypass these restrictions. Though always ensure you are following company policies, businesses also use proxies to cache frequently accessed websites, speeding up browsing for employees. Now let's talk about DDoS attacks or distributed denial of service attacks. This happens when hackers flood a server with an overwhelming number of fake requests, causing it to slow down or say crash. In October 2016, a massive DDoS attack targeted Dyn, a company managing domain name services for major sites like Twitter, Spotify, and Netflix. Hackers used a botnet of infected devices to send huge amounts of traffic, making these services temporarily unavailable. Businesses today use protection tools like Cloudflare or AWS Shield to defend against such attacks. Now let's talk about Intrusion Detection System (IDS). These systems monitor network traffic for suspicious activity and alert administrators if something unusual is detected. Think of it as a security camera for your network. Say a company has a server that only employees should access. If someone from an unknown country tries logging in multiple times, the IDS will flag it as a possible attack, helping security teams take action. Lastly, we have a Intrusion Prevention System or IPS. Unlike IDS, which only detects threats, IPS actively blocks them in real time. Let's say a hacker tries injecting malicious code into a website's database, an attack known as SQL injection. An IPS can detect this pattern and block the attack before it causes any damage, protecting the system from being compromised. Network security is crucial in today's digital world. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech breakdowns and drop a comment on what you'd like to learn next. Also, you can visit my personal portfolio wherein all the social media links have been attached. Stay safe online and see you in next video.